Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we have another advent calendar. So today is day number 9. So let's get bag number 9 out and open it up. Excited, this feels like a glitter today. Ooh. It's always exciting, especially when I feel like there's glitter or something in there. It's like, ooh. Who doesn't love glitter? But I mean, there is so much awesome stuff anyway, so it's just such a cool calendar. And it's my first calendar ever. Isn't that crazy? Except for my cheap chocolate. Okay, so oh yay, it is the red. Oh no, this is I thought, no, you know what, seasons greetings. I don't have this. I thought right away it was the silver and red, but it isn't. It has green, it's gold, silver, red and green, I think. Oh my god, that is so cool. It has some green in here. That is so cool. Oh, we need to get it out to really take a look at it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get it out and then we're gonna get a swatch of it so we can see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So there is also bigger hexagons in it, and you see there is green, gold, red, silver. So I actually want to use the Winterlicious silver, which is number 934, as a base. I thought that could be, I don't know, could be a pretty base since it is silver in there. Look at this silver. Oh, it is stunning. It is such a stunning silver. It's like, and it's so opaque. Really opaque. It's just a beautiful, beautiful silver gel. Really like it. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna cure it. I don't need more than one coat on this, so I'm gonna cure this and then we'll apply some base coat and then get some glitter on it. Okay, base coat time. So we're not gonna cure this base coat, and I'm not gonna pour it over. I'm gonna use a brush to dab it on so I don't drown it completely and I get the bigger glitter to sit down or lay down on the nail. So let's see. Just gonna take this under like that. I wanted to get some of the big ones too. Try that. It's always like a, you never know what's underneath, no, what's in the glitters before you open them and dig into them. There is always hiding some stuff. And that's really cool, like a surprise pack. Let's see, trying to get some big ones again. You know, they have a tendency to like fall a bit to the side or to the bottom. Let's see, where are you? There's one. I'm getting it, dear Lord. Come on. So full of glitter. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's not tell too much about it. I think I want the silver to shine through a little bit this time. I don't want to drown it completely. Don't wipe it off then. Hard. Okay. Okay, so there it is. So I'm gonna cure this one, and yeah, I'm gonna cure it. Then we're gonna top coat it and see. Okay, so now it's top coat time. There is both like small, medium and big hexagons in here, I see. I have just dusted off the excess glitter, but there is always some extra, you know, some extra glitter that goes off on the brush. So even though you have a top coat for glitters like I do, if you do, it might be a good idea to just wipe off the brush. If I am so sorry, I had to have the phone with a little, yeah. I'm sorry. It's kind of, yeah, it's not on silent, but it doesn't have sound on, but it vibrates, so I'm sorry about that. Okay, enough about the phone. So there, we got some top coat over it. I was just trying not to, you know, really go crazy, grab, like, yeah, digging the brush in it. Okay, so I'm gonna cure this, and I might do another layer of top coat, and then we are done, I think. Okay, so here is number 9, Season's Greetings, and it was really pretty over that silver, I think. You see the silver is shining through, and I really like that. I think it looks pretty. So yeah, so that is number 9. I really like it. It's, I don't know if this is a new one. I think it might be. But head over to www.charliesnailart.co.uk and take a look. And remember to use code Cammi10 to save you some coins. So that's it. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.